Here's some Forum Romanum trivia. Subscribe. Which Roman structure served as a marketplace? Is it A. Circus Maximus, B. Colosseum, C. Basilica Julia, or D. Pantheon? The correct answer is C. Basilica Julia. What temple dedicated to the goddess Vesta is located there? Is it A. Temple of Apollo, B. Sanctuary of Athena, C. Parthenon, or D. Temple of Vesta? The correct answer is D. Temple of Vesta. What significant political building was replaced by a new structure? Is it A. Senate House, B. Colosseum, C. Curia Julia, or D. Pantheon? The correct answer is C. Curia Julia. Which notable structure served as the meeting place for the Senate? Is it A. Amphitheater, B. Colosseum, C. Forum, or D. Curia? The correct answer is D. Curia. Which emperor restored the Forum in 46 BC? Is it A. Augustus, B. Nero, C. Tiberius, or D. Julius Caesar? The correct answer is D. Julius Caesar. What was located near the Forum Romanum and served as a temple? Is it A. Temple of Mars, B. Temple of Saturn, C. Temple of Venus, or D. Temple of Apollo? The correct answer is B. Temple of Saturn. In what year did significant construction begin for the Forum Romanum? Is it A. 1st century BC, B. 100 AD, C. 400 BC, or D. 7th century BC? The correct answer is D. 7th century BC. What type of ancient writing often found presentations in the Forum? Is it A. Tablet, B. Scroll, C. Manuscript, or D. Inscription? The correct answer is D. Inscription. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.